Hi, and welcome to NittanyCow Tutorial 4, Importing and Exporting NittanyCow Rations. This 3-minute tutorial will cover how to import and export NittanyCow rations so that they can be shared between NittanyCow users. For more specific information on anything you see here, please consult the NittanyCow help file or visit our website www.nittanycow.com to contact customer support. In the course of doing business, it is often desirable to share rations among dairy professionals. NittanyCow allows users to exchange rations between users by exporting rations from one NittanyCow user and then importing those rations to another NittanyCow program. There are two ways to export your rations. First, we'll export a ration from the Manage Rations window. Go to Manage Rations and then select Manage Rations. Highlight the ration you wish to export, then click Options, and then Export Ration. In the Save As window, type a name for the ration and choose a location on your hard drive or removable disk. Be sure to remember where you save the exported ration. Then click Save. The ration has now been exported as an NCR file. Please note that NCR files can only be opened and read by the NittanyCow Dairy Ration Evaluator. Also, users may choose to export the ration from within the ration. To do this, open the desired ration for export, click the Save button, and then choose Options, Export Ration. The process, not shown here, is now the same as the steps described previously. Using either method, the NCR file can now be shared with other NittanyCow users by attachment to an email or by removable disk transfer. Let's now suppose that you want to import a NittanyCow ration provided to you by another user. After the desired ration has been saved to your hard drive or removable disk, go to Manage Rations and select Manage Rations. Then go to Options, Import Ration. Find the NittanyCow ration you wish to import and highlight it with a single click. Then click Open. NittanyCow will now ask you to choose the catalog where you want to save the imported ration. You can either select an existing catalog from the drop-down menu, or you can create a new catalog by typing in the relevant information in the catalog and description fields. Once you have chosen the appropriate new or existing catalog, click OK. In the Rations window, you will now see your imported ration in the ration list, and the import process is complete. This concludes Tutorial 4. Please visit www.nittanycow.com to watch online tutorials of other important NittanyCow features.